Number 2, we have the Breville Joule Turbo BSV 600 PSS. The Breville Joule Turbo stands out in the kitchen appliance market for its impressive performance and innovative features. It heats up rapidly, thanks to its powerful heating element, ensuring efficient cooking times. The precision temperature control is a highlight, allowing users to cook with remarkable accuracy, which is especially beneficial for sous vide cooking. In terms of features, the Joule Turbo is equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling remote control through a smartphone app. This adds a layer of convenience, as users can monitor and adjust cooking settings from anywhere. The device's compact design is another plus, making it easy to store in any kitchen. Durability is solid with the Joule Turbo, constructed from high-quality materials that promise longevity. However, like any kitchen appliance, its lifespan will depend on usage and maintenance. The warranty coverage is standard, offering protection against manufacturing defects, which provides peace of mind to consumers. Ease of use is a significant advantage. The intuitive app guides users through the cooking process, making it accessible even for those new to sous vide cooking. The setup is straightforward, and the device's maintenance is minimal, requiring only occasional descaling. Design-wise, the Joule Turbo boasts a sleek, modern aesthetic that fits well in contemporary kitchens. Its minimal footprint is a thoughtful consideration for space-conscious users. While the Breville Joule Turbo excels in many areas, it's worth noting that the price point may be higher than some alternatives. Additionally, the reliance on a smartphone app for operation might not appeal to everyone.